Hello guys, how have you been? Are you more familiar with format and language after watching the video earlier? Well, this time we will get to know two other mathematical figures, namely Legender and Gauss. Curious? Immediately we get acquainted with them. With me, Pardede. Andean Mary Legender is a number theorist who was born on September 18, 1752 in Paris and died on January 10, 1833. Legender came from a wealthy family and he was given a high-quality education in mathematics and physics. At the age of 18, Legender wrote many theses in both mathematics and physics. Then, in 1775 until 1780, Legender became a teacher at the École Militaire with Lattes. Legender is known for contributing ideas to statistics, mathematical analysis, abstract algebra, and especially number theory. However, most of Legender's works are complemented by other scientists, such as Legender's work on polynomial roots, which inspired Gauss's theory, Legender's construction of elliptical function, which was the work of Abel, and Legender's theory, which was supplemented by Gauss through several of his works, both in the field of statistics and in number theory. When Legender was 78 years old, he proved Fermat's theorem, specifically on the exponent when n is 5, that this theorem doesn't hold, which was given almost simultaneously by Dirichlet in 1878. In addition, Legender also conjectured a later discovery a Gaussian scientist proved, namely the law of quadratic reciprocity. Not only that, he carried out pioneering work on prime numbers, including the application of analysis to number theory, which was later opened Hadamard and de la Fosse in 1898. The next we want to talk is Johann Carl Friedrich Gauss. Johann, also called as Gauss, was a German mathematician, astronomer, and physicist. Gauss was born in Braunschweig, Germany, on April 30, 1777, and died at the age of 77 years old. Gauss made many contributions to the development of knowledge, so that he is seen as equal to Archimedes and Isaac Newton, who were the greatest mathematicians in history. Gauss' intelligence has been seen since he was 3 years old, seen when Gauss was able to correct the mistakes his father made in making a bricklayer's payroll. At school, Gauss was known as a troublemaker, but had excellent academic and problem-solving abilities. One day, Gauss' teacher gave him a difficult problem with the aim that he could rest and not have to teach. But miraculously, Gauss, who was still relatively young, was actually able to solve the problem in a short time, and the results were correct. This amazed his teacher because Gauss, who was still 7 years old, was able to quickly calculate the addition of natural numbers from 1 to 100 by providing the formula used to calculate the sum of an arithmetic series, namely the calculation of 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 until plus 100. Gauss created an arithmetic formula to solve this problem. Gauss is a mathematician who took part in number system. Gauss divides numbers starting from complex numbers, which are then derived by other numbers. The existence of complex numbers influences algebra, which impacts analysis and geometry. Then it influenced function theory, where from complex number it was developed into absolute differential geometry and vector analysis. Complex number can be added, subtracted, multiplied, divided, even raised to the power of the value of the roots is found. What we can see and learn from the both of them as mathematicians, throughout history, God's sovereignty is seen as shown from how God determines who He uses in fulfilling His plan. Thus, humans will use numbers to exalt the name of God through all their activities. On the other hand, it is necessary to see that truth of the numbers concept that we can find so far is God's truth, not seen as the truth of mathematics science, but all truth is God's truth. Apart from that, knowing that development of numbers has continued to the present day, also state that it should increasingly bring people to joy and awesome, so as to reveal God's loyalty, existence, and greatness. Apart from that, with a culture around that, it talks about how we was, as God's people, are able to creatively pure everything that God has given to humans and use it to declare God's kingdom on the earth.